Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c:" and simply press enter. Then type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c:/bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Type attrib c:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Type in ren c:/boot/bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.